You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 19.9k level. And on the 4-hour chart, I've been talking about you paying attention to this level of resistance. And on the ETH, the same thing right here as well. So what are we looking at today? As you see the market at resistance on this very area, are we still expecting the market to break this level to the upside? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the 1-day chart here, you see this little move to the upside. Talk about this, and you have to understand that looking at the overall trend, we are still in a downtrend and a bear market. So this little move right here that we see in the market does not mean the market is going to explode to the upside. This is just a little momentum to the upside, but I am still looking at the market moving downward, okay? Because if you look at this very area where the market finds resistance, we have resistance at this area, we have resistance here, and this resistance within the market right now. I am still expecting the market to move right down, even though we may see the market move over a little bit. I'm not panicked by that, but the overall move I am expecting is that the market should go down. Reason why, we have a high here, that's a lower high, we have a lower high here and a lower high at this point. So we've not seen any break of structure yet. This is still in a downtrend. So the market moving to the upside slightly at this area does not mean we are now in an uptrend. So you have to be very careful taking long positions. So I am paying attention to the market still moving back down to this level of support on the long term on the 1-day chart BTC. On the 4-hour chart here, I've been talking about this very level of resistance and this level of support, and I said pay attention to this level of resistance and this level of support. They are very, very important. And right now market is at this very area of 19.9k. What I am expecting right now on this chart is the market moving a little bit into this area once more before we see the market come back down into this very level, before we see finally the market come back down into this level of support. So this is what you should also look at right now, because we've seen the market enter into this level twice right now. That means we have this very area, we have this second touch. That means this area is very strong, just like we have been looking at this very level of resistance. And right now market will move again into it and then come back down. That is what I am expecting in the market on the 4-hour chart. And I have said that if you want to place a trade, it will be nice for you to take a short position from this level of resistance and a long position from level of support, because that is what we may see the market doing in the past few weeks on this very ranging market. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, we see the market move a little bit to the upside after this little move to the downside. Market move up to touch this very level of resistance, and right now market is at this very point of 1357. And right now I am expecting the market to rise up a little bit before the market come back down. So expect the market to move a little bit to the upside, then come back down. That means it would be nice to take a short position from here, just like I said, from this area, and a buy position from the level of support, just like I said, on this very level of support as well. What do you think about on the BTC 1-day chart? Do you think the market is going to go down, or we want to see the market rise a little bit to the upside? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, when you use the link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.